Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita, and let's see today how to select the object and copy it and paste into the same file, or to create new file and copy it there. Okay, so let us zoom in a little bit. And for example, select and then copy this letter E. Okay, there are many selection tools, some of them very easy, some like rectangular or elliptical selection tools, or some of them are more difficult. We'll take a look at them in some next lesson. Let's do it with freehand selection tool today. I click on it and I'm just freely draw the lane at the borders of this object, letter E. And don't worry if I release the left click of my mouse. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more. As I said, don't worry if you did it not very nicely, because everything can be fixed. So, to remove some extra areas from the selection, we have to click on Alt button, and by holding it, select the extra areas to be removed from the selection. Now you see this lane moved, and do the same with other areas that you don't want to be added, and so on. But if, for example, you want to add some areas like this or this, you have to click on Shift and do the same. Mistake, Ctrl Z, and you go step back, trying to be more accurate. Okay. It looks better now. So now I'm going to edit and click on copy, and then if I want to copy it in the same picture, I'm doing paste. You see there is a new layer with letter E. Then I go to this square transform tool, click on it, and clicking and holding on our letter E, I'm moving it, for example, here. Okay, but if you want to paste it in a new file, let's create it. It can be any file. Let's change the color of background only. Okay, create, and again let's go to edit, or you can do it by clicking Ctrl V, copy Ctrl C, paste Ctrl V, or I'm working with Microsoft. In Mac, I suppose it will be like Command C and Command V. Ctrl V. Okay, this is our letter E. I could paint it a little bit better, but that's it. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye!